Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm a first-year engineering apprentice for Avara Foods in Abergavenny. So I've moved from Hereford, working with Avara, to relocate with my family, and Avara have been brilliant in helping me facilitate the move, in getting into college and retraining to get up to the skill level required to be a multi-skilled engineer. I was attracted to the food industry because the training is second to none. I enjoy the variety of machinery that we get to work on here, and obviously at the moment we're going through big upgrades, so there's opportunity to work with robotics, electrics, mechanical engineering. It's just a good wide range of skills. The brilliant thing about Avara is there's lots of internal progression, like there is plenty of opportunity to climb the ladder. So I'm on my 4-year apprenticeship, get through that with my HNC, and then hopefully there'll be opportunities for a shift lead role or to move further on again. As a young person getting into engineering, I would say that the skills that you pick up are so wide and so diverse that you can work in almost any field afterwards. The things that you do learn about, like I said, it could be anywhere from oil rigs to food factories to supermarkets to hospitals. Everything starts and ends with engineering.